Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna bring you like how I go from like really to this. So like yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, this is how you can look like me. Yeah, and I'll talk about a few things here as like a chit chat. And yeah, so if you want to see it, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off pretty rough here. Okay, I have a few like bumps and stuff. Okay, I think I'm just gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, of course, to do my eyebrows in that shade right there. And yeah, I'm just gonna fill these moist in. I never got my eyebrows done, you guys. I really need to probably do that, but like I'm scared because like you see it's like sparse but also like kind of thick. Like she's like slim thick, but at the same time it's like I don't want them to take off any hair, but I also need to clean them up. Do you see my struggle? Okay, maybe not. We're kind of off to a rough start right now because like these look horrible. Oh my goodness. Hopefully when we clean them up it's gonna look better. Woo. And I'm taking my Nars Concealer in a Monday. Yeah, this is like this is so old probably. Like everyone's using Fenty Beauty and I'm just using this because the coin. Summer Walker is so good. Oh my goodness, I love her stuff. Like, if you don't know who Summer Walker is, please go look her up. Also, like, oh my god, I want to do another playlist video. I like doing those videos. They're really fun to me. But I never know the lyrics, so I just kind of look dumb just dancing around and stuff. But if y'all want to see a playlist video, just let me know. Because, like, I kind of have some underground people that I listen to. But I love to, like, share, you know. Black is pretty popular now, but like when he was kind of underground, I was listening to him. And like also like Xavier Omar when he was like underground. Also, like I love watching the YouTubers who like talk about he's like too thick. Oh no. Like they talk about issues like black issues and like things like mukbangs where like people were talking about Jeannie Mai and stuff. I just like hearing like different opinions because a lot of the times like I'll have that opinion but like I won't say anything because I don't know, people from sometimes like think that since like say you're dark skin or that like the people that are being oppressed, then like I don't know, they don't really want to hear it from you. That's why I just be keeping my mouth shut and I'm gonna try to do everything in my power to change some of the things that I do not like in the world. And I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 368. And I'm going to use my Morphe brush that I always use in M439. I have no idea why I did that. Just use a little bit of this because it goes a long way. Oh, I didn't prime. Use a Benefit Professional. And I'm going to prime really quickly. Do y'all know where I'm from? Did I ever say that where I'm from in my videos? I don't know. If you think you know where I'm from, comment down below. I want to see, and then I may share it in the next video. Or I might just comment it down below. I feel like you might know from my language. Taking that same Nars Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it right underneath the eyeballs. No idea what that accent is. I'm so sorry. Isn't it crazy that I'm Nigerian, but I can't even do a Nigerian accent? Oh, also you guys wanted to see more styling videos, so I'm going to try to do those. The styling videos, they just cost money. Like, it costs a lot of money because, you know, like, obviously you gotta get the clothes, and clothes are really expensive. Look at my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Give it to me like you need it, baby. That song's been stuck in my head. She's so good. Summer Walker is so good. Her songs, I feel like, are so short, but it's probably just because they're so good, like you want it to last longer, but I feel like they're just so short. I'm like, please, add more to the song. And then I've seen like Janae Aiko sing on Instagram. I'm like, girl, why don't you, like, I feel like she doesn't sing as much in her songs. Like she sings, but it's not like, you know, like when she was singing, I was like, wow, she's so good. And out way more. What the hell? Okay, just because I'm lazy and I don't really feel like blending out more of that Nars Concealer, so I'm just gonna take the Tarte Concealer and go like right there, and go in there with the Real Technique sponge and then blending really quickly. And I did lash extensions. I did it myself, you guys. I'm trying, and I'm probably gonna try to do my nails myself. you know. So I mean, I just know that like once you learn a skill, no one can take it away from you. So I'm gonna just try to do all these things on my own. Things like I want to do, like I'm like, why would I pay someone like $100 and something when I can do my lashes for like less than $2? I have a tutorial on that too if you want to know. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier like I always do. I'm gonna take that and a little bit on my nose right there. So if you found my channel from somewhere, please let me know how you did it, because like I'm really confused. Like I want to know how to grow more, so I want to know how people are discovering me. We're looking better already. Yay. More videos are coming, more styling videos, I know this semester it might be a little harder than the last semester because my classes already, I'm like, what? Like you want all these textbooks and all this money, like for what? Like I pay money to get to school, then I have to pay money to be in the class. It's a scam. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Black Radiance. Yeah, it's True Complexion Contour Palette in Dark Too Deep. In this shade right there, I'm gonna try to contour and then use a little bit of that. So I used the lighter shade to contour like my nose or whatever. And I'm taking this like little fluffy brush. This is from Jessup Brushes, and this is called the blending brush. I just sculpt this big old nose out. I feel like my nose is big, but some other people probably don't think it's big, but honestly, I feel like it's like huge. Also, comment down below what sign you think I am. I'm not gonna tell you. I mean, I probably could be talking to myself right now, telling all these people to comment down below, and no one will comment. That'll be funny. But if you think you know my sign or where I'm from or anything about me, like what are your? I should do a video like with the assumptions. I think people do that, right? The assumptions about people. Like, what do you assume about me? Yeah, I can do that. I might do that on Instagram, but comment down below where you think I'm from and what sign you think I am. You're making so many assumptions sometimes. I mean, I can't blame you because like sometimes people don't reveal to you, so you gotta like kind of put 2 and 2 together, but sometimes the 2 and 2 don't add up. You know, it'd be another 2 and 2. It'd be 2 square root of 2 or whatever, and it's actually 2 plus 2 when you thought the whole time was more complicated. I don't know what I'm saying, but well, you guys, also I've seen like being in LA, I'd be like, oh, I see so many. Like so many people, and I'm so like grateful to be here. Like I'm so happy that I'm here like every day. Honestly, like it's something new that just reminds me how grateful I am to be here, because it's like not even just the place, it's like how the mental state I am. Like being here is way better. I'm just like so happy. Like people, okay, so at our USC against UCLA game, I feel like no one wants to see, like, okay, first of all, let me address the videos about like basically vlogging and stuff. Like whenever I do, I'm like, I feel like no one wants to see it, but then when I like look at other people's stuff, I'm like, girl, why didn't you film that? Like, you know what I'm saying? So maybe that's the same thing with me. Like, girl, why didn't you film that? I don't know, I didn't think anyone would see it. So yeah, maybe sorry about that, but I'll probably like I'll try to film other things. But it was such a lit game. Like I'm so glad I went to that game. We've seen like Tori Kelly showed up, Nick Young, he always comes there though, and Keith Williams came to perform. He did a good job. I also love those you know those campus interview videos? I love those. I've been contouring for like so long now, but yeah, I love those interview videos. Those are so nice to have. But I feel like people would think I'm the weirdo if I'm like always like doing campus stuff, because on my campus black people are like 5% or less, something like that. So if I'm like just trying to like, I won't really only want to hear opinions from black people. Like if I'm asking like, oh, how should a girl shoot a shot, I mean, I might ask other people, but I don't really know them, you know what I'm saying? Like I know I'm intact with my black community. So yeah, also there's so much pressure to be, oh, I'm not telling you what I'm doing. I'm putting in that shade, this little shade called Trick, and I'm putting it in my inner corner. I feel like there's so much pressure right now to be like, to know what you want to do at a young age, like especially because of social media and all this other stuff. But like it's so much pressure. I feel like okay, yeah, like it's so much pressure to know what you want to do, and I'm like, it's okay to not know what you want to do, you know, even though like it doesn't seem okay. Like even me, I have to tell myself it's okay that you don't know what you want to do is precisely, or you don't know what kind of entrepreneur you want to be, or da 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 da. but like that's so scary, you know, because there's other people out here, like even though you don't compare yourself, it's just like there's other people out here doing stuff like already so successful at a young age. So it's kind of like like, you know, I feel like I'm being left behind. Like I'm always afraid of like time leaving me, or like me like not being successful. Like that's my #1 fear, like not being as successful as I want to be, or like not doing it, because I feel like my success, let me do something while I'm talking. I'm gonna put this shade in my crease, but I feel like my success is gonna be like, it's not just depending on me. Like I don't know how to describe that. Like people are depending on me, even people don't know that they're depending on me yet, you know what I'm saying? But like what I want to do with my wealth is like share it and like be able to like give back to people like in my community or like in my hood, that people like, because if you're growing up with people in the hood, I feel like you understand that like a lot of people have no hope, and a lot of people feel like that they're in the system and they're going to stay in the system, and that their mentality is already there, so they can't like really get out of it. And like I hate that feeling, and I know like I used to be like, you can do so much more, like you'll see these great people that can do so many great things, like talents and things, but they are not going to pursue that because it's unrealistic to them, or you know, it's just so sad to me. Honestly hate that. That's why I really feel like so much pressure. I put so much pressure on myself but I have to do something. I have to like, I can't just not do something about that. I'm gonna see like where college takes me and where like social media takes me, both of these things, because like I want a college degree. Like I always wanted a college degree. Honestly, I wanted to be like have even a doctorate degree, but I'm not sure if that's necessary, because I feel like college is dying off eventually. Like it's gonna eventually die off. At the same time, if I'm going to be an entrepreneur, I don't honestly need all of that, but I don't know where it takes me. I love to learn. Like I used to be so obsessed with school when I was little, so I love to learn new things. It just makes me really excited to hear different people's perspectives about things, and like being in a new place, it just exposes you to so many different opinions, and some of you like, okay, but where'd you get that from? But you gotta be like pretty open to it, and like I'm glad that happened to me, because I was listening to Michelle Obama. She's always talking about like different perspectives, and even though there are some people who you may think is like the worst person in the world, whatever, like you have to think about what in life has gotten them to that point, you know? So it's a lot. I'm sorry that this video got so like used. This Revlon highlighter, this thing is so old, it has no like name or anything here. So I know it's a Revlon color set. I don't think they make this anymore. So why would I use it in the video? Because it's so pretty, and I don't use it ever really, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna use something else on top of this just so y'all can get the same thing if you want to go purchase it. Ow, I feel like a lash in my eye. I'm gonna use this Becca highlighter, and this is in rose gold. I haven't used it in a long time. I'm not gonna open it because it's like cracked. What things motivate you guys? I want to know what like motivates different people, because I feel like for me, it's like when I know that I'm getting things done. Like getting things done makes me like, if I have a plan in the morning, I feel so eager to get up, you understand? But if I don't, I'm like, I will get up, but I won't like feel eager. I won't feel like joyed. But if I have my whole day planned out, I love to be busy, you guys, like booked and busy. I love to have like everything planned out, like if something from the day to the night, then I wake up, do something again, you know? I love that. I don't know why. I don't know, I feel like that kind of motivates me sometimes, and knowing that I'm getting things done and that accomplishments are getting there, like I'm getting towards where my goals are, the best feeling in the world. But like, always saying like, honestly, I look back at my videos, I'm like, why? See, I'm like, I'm always saying that. I don't know why. Can you get your words together? Like, and I just said it again. I'm tired of myself. In this NK lip pencil in Cocoa, and I'm gonna line. This is kind of red. Okay, I'm going to take this Maybelline lip gloss, NYX Butter Gloss. Yeah, butter, baby. And this lip gloss. This is the Cocoa Broadway lip coconut stuff, oil stuff. Yeah, and I'm going to apply that on top. I just got to fix my frontal. And I just hate doing it. 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 Y'all like my shirt? It says Just Pretty. I made this, but and then the back it says you are pretty for a dark skin girl, something like that. I don't know what to say. It say you're pretty for a dark skin, I think. Oh no, my camera's about to die. Okay, let me hurry up. Finish. Let me hurry. I'm about to just do my hair, like spray and stuff. Maybe I should just do that off camera. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, so I did my hair and I changed into a top. And yeah, this is literally the look. I hope you guys like the video, enjoyed the video. You can use State of Dallas to get this hair for money off, you know, at Mia or My Hair. And yeah, it goes all the way down right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it looks better now that, you know, we went from ugly to that. So yeah, yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.